kettlebell swing? Let's see it. Here we go. Getting those hips through. Two more. Good. There we go. To our front-loaded squat. You're holding it just like that. Perfect. Down controlled. Good. Halfway. Two more. Last one. Pressing up, getting the head through, down control. Go ahead and grab the sides of the kettlebell. Yeah, just like that as you press. Perfect. Yeah. Good. Give me one more. Full squat, overhead press. Let's see it, Ben. Way to work. Way to work. Same grip. Nice deep squat right into that overhead press. Good. Nice pace. Nice exhale up top. Three more. And ground to overhead. We got our 10. Let's fully extend those arms every time we get up top. Remember that grip transition. Starts over top, and then we go to that same grip you just had to press overhead. Yeah, touching that ground. Good. There we go. Back's nice and flat. Halfway. We'll say a little bit more bending those knees, a little bit more squatty. Keep that chest up a bit higher. Yeah, right there. Boom. There we go. Let's get four more. Give me four more like that. Good. Better, Ben. Two more. Almost there. And last one. Keep locking those arms out overhead. Good. Very nice. Let's go.